Good evening, QPA faculty. I am just making a small video tutorial just to show you how you would set up Microsoft Teams for various club activities that you might be starting. There were some teachers that asked about how would you set up Teams and use it for that purpose. So I'm just going to walk you through how to set up Microsoft Teams for such things as clubs. So once you get to your Microsoft Office 365 on this main platform, you want to click on Teams. Once you click on Teams, it will take you to your Teams window. When you get to Teams window, you will see all the teams that you were part of, or if you have created any teams in the past, that will show up there. If you're going to create a new team or join a team, you want to click on this button right here, and that will give you it will show you a list of teams that you can possibly join, or in this case you want to create. So this first box here, we're going to create a team today. You click on create team and it will give you four options for the different types of teams that you can create. In this small tutorial, I'm showing you how to set up a team for a club. So you're going to click on that part that says other. You want to name your team club, club goals, whatever your team is. You're going to make up a name. You can write a description for your team and so forth. Then we click next, and then it's going to create your team. Now, at this part, in this step, you will start to type in members for your team so that you can start adding them to your team. I am going to just use a student example. So I want to add Asia to my club. Once you start typing Asia's first name, her username will show up and you can add that. Now, the great thing about this is you can just keep typing and adding all the students that you would like at once and then click add. Or you can add one student at a time. When you hit add and next, it will set up your team for you. I'm going to skip this for now because I already have a demo team that I have created. So this is my team that I created. This is what the platform looks like, and you can see I have added Asia to my team. Now, one of the questions that came up was, Miss Ing, how do I see the members of my team? How do I see a comprehensive list of all the students that are in this particular team? Well, what you want to do is, and I'm going to show you a team that is fully loaded. You want to click on this little icon right here. You see there's a little description that says period 1 remote learning. There are 14 members in this class. And if you just click on these two, this little icon right here, it will load for you all the members in your team. You can see right now there are two owners and there are 12 members or guests. And then the list of members do show up. So that's where you would see who's in your club, who you've invited, and who is a part of that team. And you can, of course, at this part in this page, you can still add new members. You can add guests. Some teachers were asking, well, how do I add a guest speaker to my club or to my team? Once you click on add member, that will allow you to add a guest speaker or whatever it is. That person, you just would have to know their name. And once you type it in, once they have a DOE email address, it populates and you can click on that. There was another question about, is there a way to use Teams to call my students directly? And of course you can. This is the call feature right here. And in the call feature, you can call whoever is in your email group and you can use it that way. Um, there was another question about why use Google Voice to call instead of Teams. One major difference is Google Voice gives you a phone number that can be used, that you can give to students, that they can call you directly. On Teams, they cannot call directly from their cell phone or their phone. They would have to go into and log into their Microsoft Teams account and then make a call or then send a message through that. So that's one of the major difference there. All right, if you have any questions on how to set up Teams, send me a message and I am here to assist you. Have a great evening.